Welcome to Chapter 5. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the editor side, and we're going to talk about quick edits and how they work. Now, I'm in Chapter 5, so go ahead and select Chapter 5 or 5B, doesn't matter. Remember, 5B are the smaller photos. So to select all three photos, I'm just going to drag a little marquee around the three photos, and that will select them quickly. Remember, how do we get to the editor side? You can take the long route and then select Elements Welcome Screen and then pick the editor. Not a good idea. Oh, excuse me. Let me reselect the photos. You can go to Edit, Edit with Photoshop Elements Editor. I like that one. Or Control I as a great shortcut. Will save you some time. Or you can right click on the photo and choose Edit with Photoshop Elements Editor, which I will do now. This will open the editor side. And as we can see here, we have our project bin, which shows the three files that we have selected. If you don't see your project bin, go ahead and double click it to open it up, or go to Window, Project Bin. Okay. Now let's select the leaf. So let's double click on the leaf first, and then we're going to go to the Edit Task pane, and we're going to click not Full, but the quick edits. And then I'll show you the difference between the other two in a later lesson. Notice also it says View After Only. I just want to show you that you can do the before only. You can do the before and after if we had that. You see it should be the same because we haven't done anything to it. And you can do it vertically, but we'll just say after only for now. You can rotate your pictures here, and your zoom level. You can type it in if you like, or you can select it there. Up to you. Something else I want to quickly show you. These little buttons here and what they mean. If you click on actual pixels, this displays the image on your monitor, so that one image pixel uses exactly one monitor pixel. This zoom state allows you to see the maximum amount of detail available in your image and include detail that you're probably more likely not to see if you had a smaller zoom level. Fit screen, if you click on this, this will fit it on the screen according to how big your Photoshop Elements is. So if I were to use Photoshop Elements and maximize it, this would be a lot larger. Fill screen will fill the entire area, both horizontally and vertically. And then you can click print size. Print size is Photoshop Elements' attempt to show you the image at roughly the same dimensions on screen in inches or centimeters, not pixels, that it would print at. But there are some other factors that come involved with that, and that's something I will tell you in a later lesson. So let's go ahead and click Fit Screen. You can expand it by clicking the triangle, just so you know. Okay, so we see this leaf right here. It looks a little drab, maybe low in contrast. May look a little fine, but let's see what Photoshop Elements quick edits can do for us. So let's check the Smart Fix. This is the fix slider, and let's move it to the right. Excuse me. And as we move it to the right, it will apply the Smart Fix. And what is a Smart Fix? Smart Fix is color balance, saturation, and contrast at the same time fix. Isn't that incredible? We can, once we apply the fix to however powerful we want to apply it, or I call moving the slider, it doesn't matter. You can either confirm it by checking it, or click the X, which will send it back to how it was in the original. If you didn't want to use a fix slider, you can click Auto, and this will apply a Smart Fix automatically. And then from there, you can adjust the fix slider. So you can use the auto as a start point and then use the fix slider to further customize it, which is nice. So let's click the X again. And also it has this little triangle here. If you click this little triangle, this is a neat little thing. It shows you previews. So you see a little arrow that shows you the first one, and if I hover over it, it shows you what each preview will do to the photo. And that's nice. I like this one. Okay, so whatever I like, I can click the check marks, and the Smart Fix is applied. Now remember I was telling you over here the views, after only. Let's click the before and after horizontal. And now you can see the difference in the two pictures. Isn't that amazing what the Smart Fix did to this photo in just seconds? So here we thought we had a regular leaf, a little green, it needed a little help, and look how much more it did to the photo. Absolutely amazing. Now go ahead and select the view, select after only again. We're going to go over to the quick edits, go all the way to the bottom, we're going to click reset, and we're going to reset it. In the next lesson, we'll talk about lighting.